Buenos dias. Your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In description. Welcome to this detailed guide on upgrading your HP 530 units by replacing the DATOS SSD. This process will enhance your laptop's performance significantly. Let's dive in. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and replace the SSD without causing any damage. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure that there is no residual power. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is essential for your safety and to prevent any electrical issues. Now, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the M2 SSD slot. It's usually situated near the RAM slots. If you're unsure, refer to your laptop's manual for guidance. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the internal area of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. This will help maintain optimal airflow and cooling for your device. Now, to remove the existing M2 SSD, locate the screw holding it in place. Carefully unscrew it and gently pull the SSD out of its slot at a slight angle. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Next, take your new M2 SSD and align it with the slot. Insert it at the same angle you used to remove the old one. Once it's in place, secure it with the screw you previously removed. Make sure it's snug but not overly tight, as this could damage the SSD. After securing the new SSD, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back on and reinsert all the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is aligned properly before tightening the screws. Once the back panel is secured, reinsert the battery if you removed it. Now, flip your laptop back over and power it on. You should enter the BIOS to ensure that the new SSD is recognized. If it's not showing up, double-check your connections. If you encounter any issues during this process, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Plus, you can get a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Once you've confirmed that the SSD is recognized, you can proceed to install your operating system or restore from a backup. Congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your HP 530 units with a new M2 SSD, enhancing its performance and storage capacity. This upgrade not only improves speed, but also extends the life of your laptop. Enjoy your enhanced device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional tone. Link in description.